Welcome back to my channel. It's another day, another juicing recipe. You already know I'm on a mission to find the best juicing recipes, and my last ones have been pretty good. If you haven't seen them, go check them out. I have juiced some of the best combinations, and today we are going to juice a beet. So like I said, today we are juicing a beet, and I'm excited because beets have so many great properties. Like, the other juices tasted good, but I think this juice is going to actually be the healthiest. Beets help you with your brain, and trust me, scrolling on social media, your brain sometimes needs a little help. And I'm excited because it also has antioxidants and helps with your heart. So I have never cut up a beet. I'm about to cut up these fruits. I also have some pineapple left. This was just some pineapple chunks I had left. I'm going to add an apple in there. I'm going to add an orange or two and some strawberries, because I sometimes make my juices a little on the sweet side, not too sweet. Strawberries always add an amazing touch. So let's get into it. Let's go ahead and cut up our apples and oranges and beets. First, let's cut up the apple first. Apples are easy. So I'm gonna talk to you all about something super important while we cut up our fruits, and that is changing your mindset. Changing your mindset is how you change your life. You know, one of the most important lessons I learned is the moment you change your mindset is the moment your life changes. Everything you do has to be with thought, like the food you eat, the way you move your body, exercising, the thoughts you allow in your mind, and the way you connect with God. It all shapes the person that you become. If you've been feeling stuck, tired, sick, or you just feel like life is passing you by, let me remind you that you are one decision away from a completely different life. Trust me, I used to make $7.25 an hour at my first job bagging groceries at Kroger's grocery store. And I have came a long way, and that is completely, I give all power to God. But like I said, it all starts with the mindset. The way you think determines your life. If your thoughts are filled with negativity, doubt, fear, your life will reflect just that. But when you begin to renew your mind, choosing positive, faith-filled things, eating right, being disciplined, your life begins to take a new direction. The Bible reminds us to be transformed by the renewing of your mind. That means you have to be intentional about what you allow yourself to believe. Every day, speak life over yourself. Say, I am worthy, I am capable, I am strong. God is guiding my steps. And trust me, y'all, I have to say this more times than anyone, because we are people and we all have thoughts. But if you trust in God, He will guide you. He will lead you. He has plans to prosper you, not harm you. Okay? Now, mindset is powerful, but so is what you put in your body. Look at that beet. See, that's what we're talking about today. Food is fuel, and the wrong fuel will keep you running on empty. And trust me, I love sugar. I love chocolate. But when you eat processed junk food, too much sugar, or fast food every day, it really weighs you down physically and mentally. But when you choose real foods like these fruits and vegetables, whole foods, your body and mind will begin to thrive. Imagine starting your mornings with fresh fruits, some blueberries, oranges, apples, fueling your meals with lean proteins like grilled salmon, chicken, beans, just adding some leafy green colors, colorful vegetables, and drinking water instead of juice, concentrated juice, or sodas. These small changes add up, you guys, and it makes you stronger, sharper, and more energized. Look at that fruit. It is so beautiful and it's great for your body. Now let's talk about physical movement as we put these fruit in the juicer. As you can see, I just dropped my fruit in there. The juicer really does all the work. Look at the beautiful colors. It is just, this makes me happy, you guys. But let's get into it. Let's talk about movement. Exercise isn't just about looking good, having a big butt, having some abs. It's about feeling good. When you move your body daily, whether it's a 30-minute walk, lifting, dancing, or doing yoga, you remind yourself that you matter. Your body is a temple. Remember that. It's super important to take care of it. It's really an act of worship. The time you give yourself to move is also the time you release stress, clear your mind, and build confidence. And not to mention, when you be in the gym for a while and you start looking good, you see it in the mirror, you're definitely building confidence, and people respect you more and see that you take care of your body. Okay? But let me tell you, here's the truth. The most important thing is talking to God. Changing your mindset is important, but if you don't have a relationship with God, all of this is in vain. It's just like a picture that's incomplete. When you pray, you connect to the one who created you. Prayer grounds you, strengthens you, and gives you wisdom for the next step, because we all just living day by day out here. And we have to trust in God's plan even when you can't see the full picture. I've been in this situation so many times where I really just had to rely on faith. Make it a habit to start and end your day with prayer. Thank Jesus for what he's already done for you, and ask him for guidance on the next steps and how to move forward. The more you trust God, the more at peace you will be, the more clarity you'll find. And look at this juice. Go ahead and pour it in there. Look at that. Beet juice. The color looks super good, you guys. And what I always do is, after I pour my juice, I shake it up just to get all the juices mixed up in there, and it's looking really good, and I have no doubt it's gonna taste really good. Look at that color. Looks so good. I like to fill my thing all the way up. Pop the bottle. Y'all, it was so good. I was speechless. Like, I just started drinking this juice. But you can taste the beets a little bit, but it's still super sweet, still tastes healthy, and it feels good. It's so good. I had to do my happy dance. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Comment what type of juices you want me to make next. Love y'all. Talk to you soon.